if you use measurements or not. But I just recommend just going for it. Okay, so you're gonna need glue, shampoo to soften it, shaving foam or shaving cream, activator. I'm using borax, and sanitizer, which is optional. You can also use lotion, and hot water. Make sure you don't burn yourself while doing it though. So first, what you're gonna do is get a fork and a bowl or a plate, whatever you have. Open up the glue. Clear or light glue is good. And then you will probably stop right about here. And then, oh yeah, that's, alright. Now you're gonna add some shampoo when you pour in. Just a few pumps is good. Now mix that in. It should be already thick by now, but makes it glossy and smooth. Sorry, you're going to want to add shaving foam. Oh gosh. And yes, sorry if it gets messy. My shaving foam is very messy. Gross. At least my bowl's handling it. Now it should look like fluffy glue or melted down marshmallows. And then you're going to want to pour in your activator. Any activator is fine. Just make sure not to over-activate it. That will make the slime very rippy and weird. And you do not want that. You want perfect stretchy slime. And if you accidentally over-activate it, it's fine because we're going to have something that teaches how to make it stretchy in the video. Then now you're just going to want to roll it in a little yarn kind of looking thing, like a snowball. It's okay if it's sticky and stringy right now. That's just because it's still a little bit bluish. And if it's not activating the way you want, just keep adding activators. Just a few splashes. That's how you don't over-activate. Just a few splashes. Now, we're not going to need these anymore, but we're still going to need the lotion or, yes, these are stretchy. We're just going to need the sanitizer and hot water. That's all we're going to need right now. But if it's still sticky for you, just keep acting activator until it turns into this form, very stretchy and fluffy. But since I'm not okay with my texture right now, I am going to add, oh my god, it looks like clouds. You are going to add the sanitizer. I only add 2 pumps, 3, 4, or 9 pumps. But, yeah. Now if you have cuts, you can be careful doing this, but if you, yeah, just make sure your cuts are okay while doing this. And then just mix, oh, okay. Now just mix the sanitizer in your slime. Look at how it turned out. I'm not dyeing my slime. It's optional if you dye your slime with paint, any coloring thing. I'm not going to dye mine because it's reminding me of a cloudy marshmallow. And I love marshmallows. I love them. And now what you're going to do is add hot water. So make sure you don't burn yourself while doing this. Just be careful. Oh. Don't worry, this will not ruin your slime. It'll actually make it very potent and stretchy. I really recommend this with very rippy or rippy, not okay texture. And No,